My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bcom 5th semester subject Computerized Accounting as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is: what are stock groups? Answer: stock groups are like folders to organize your products in a business. In computerized accounting, like Tally ERP, a stock group helps you categorize similar items together so that managing and reporting inventory becomes easier. For example, imagine a grocery store. You can create stock groups like fruits, vegetables, beverages, and snacks. Inside the fruits group, you may have stock items like apple, mango, banana. This way, whenever you check stock or generate reports, you can quickly see how many items are in each category. Stock groups also help in calculating stock value, maintaining accounts, and making decisions efficiently. In Tally, creating a stock group is simple. You give it a name and, if needed, assign a parent group to show hierarchy, like food items fruits. Tip to remember: stock groups is equal to folders for your products. Next important short question is: 2. What is stock item? Answer: a stock item is a specific product or material that a business keeps in stock for sale or use. In computerized accounting like Tally ERP, a stock item is the smallest unit you can track in your inventory. Think of a clothing store. Stock groups could be shirts, pants, and shoes. Inside the shirts group, each specific shirt, like blue cotton shirt size M, is a stock item. Each stock item has details like name, example, blue cotton shirt. Unit of measure, example, pieces. Price, optional if you want to track value. Stock items help in tracking quantity, calculating stock value, and generating reports easily. Without stock items, it would be impossible to know what you have, what is sold, and what needs to be purchased. Tip to remember: stock item is equal to the actual product you sell or use. Next important short question is: 3. Write about units of measure. Answer: units of measure, UM, are the standard way to count or measure stock items in a business. In Tally ERP, every stock item is linked with a unit of measure to show how much of that item you have. For example, in a grocery store, you may sell rice in kilograms, kg, milk in liters, L, and chocolate in pieces, PCs. Here, kg, L, and PCs are units of measure. Units of measure help in maintaining accurate stock, calculating stock value correctly, generating inventory reports easily. Tally allows you to create primary units, main unit, like kg, and compound units, like dozen is equal to 12 PCs, for flexibility. Tip to remember: units of measure is equal to how you count or measure your stock. Next important short question is: 4. How is creation of godown done? Explain. Answer: a godown is a warehouse or storage place where a business keeps its stock. In Tally ERP, creating a godown helps you track stock location, manage inventory efficiently, and know exactly where items are stored. Example: a company may have godowns like main warehouse, shop 1, and shop 2. If you store rice in main warehouse and chocolate in shop 1, Tally will keep track of stock separately for each godown. Steps to create a godown in Tally. 1. Go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Info Godown Create. 2. Enter the godown name, example, main warehouse. 3. Optionally, Enter a parent godown if it's part of a bigger warehouse. 4. Press enter to save. Godowns make stock management easy, especially for businesses with multiple storage locations. Tip to remember: godown is equal to where your stock lies. Next important short question is 5. Discuss about opening balance in ERP stock category. Answer. Opening balance in ERP stock category is the initial quantity and value of stock a business has at the start of an accounting period. It helps Tally ERP keep track of inventory from the very first day. Example. Suppose a store has 100 kilograms of rice worth 5,000 rupees and 50 liters of milk worth 2,500 rupees on 1st April. These quantities and their values are the opening balances for that accounting year. How it works in Tally. 1. While creating a stock item, you can enter the opening quantity and rate. 2. If you have multiple godowns, opening balances can be set separately for each godown. 3. Tally then calculates stock value, stock reports, and profit accurately from the start. Tip to remember: opening balance is equal to your stock snapshot on day 1. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is: what are the basic inventory masters in Tally ERP 9? Explain. Answer. In Tally ERP 9, inventory masters are the main records that help a business organize, manage, and control its stock. These masters are like the building blocks of inventory management. Using them, Tally keeps track of stock items, quantities, values, units, and locations efficiently. The basic inventory masters in Tally ERP 9 are: 1. Stock group. A category or folder to group similar items. Example, in a grocery store, fruits, vegetables, and beverages can be stock groups. It helps in organizing items and generating reports. 2. Stock item. A specific product that you sell or use. Example, apple, 1 kilogram pack, or mango, 500 grams pack. Stock items are linked to stock groups and units of measure to track quantity and value. 3. Units of measure, UOM. Defines how the stock is counted or measured. Example, kilograms, kg, liters, L, pieces, PCs, or dozen. UOM ensures accurate quantity tracking and billing. 4. Godown. Represents the storage location of stock. Example, main warehouse or shop 1. Godowns help track where the stock is stored, which is useful for businesses with multiple locations. 5. Stock categories, optional. Helps classify items based on type, quality, or purpose. Example, food items or non-food items. Why inventory masters are important? They help maintain proper records, avoid stock errors, and generate reports for better decisions. They are the foundation for stock valuation, order planning, and financial statements. Without inventory masters, a business cannot track stock accurately. Tip to remember: inventory masters is equal to all the main records you need to manage stock properly. Think: stock groups, stock items, units, godowns, categories is equal to organized, accurate, and smart stock management. Next important long question is: to explain in detail about inventory masters in ERP. Answer. Inventory masters in ERP, like Tally ERP 9, are records used to manage all stock-related information in a business. They help in tracking stock quantity, value, location, and category, making inventory management easy and accurate. Inventory masters are the foundation of maintaining stock keeping units, SKU. The main inventory masters in ERP are 1. Stock group. This is like a folder to organize similar products. Example, in a bookstore, fiction books, science books, and stationery are stock groups. Stock groups help in grouping items for easy reporting and analysis. 2. Stock item. A stock item is a specific product or material that is sold or used. Example, Harry Potter, first edition, or pen blue ink. Each stock item is linked to a stock group and a unit of measure to track quantity and value accurately. 3. Units of measure, UOM. UOM tells how the stock is measured or counted. Example, kilograms, kg, liters, L, pieces, PCs, or dozen. Tally allows primary units and compound units for flexibility, making stock calculations precise. 4. Godown. A godown is the storage location of stock, like a warehouse. Example, main warehouse or shop branch 1. Godowns help track stock location separately and manage multi-location businesses efficiently. 5. Stock category, optional. This helps further classify items based on type or purpose. Example, perishable versus non-perishable goods. Useful for detailed reporting and inventory analysis. Importance of inventory masters. Maintain accurate stock records. Facilitate easy stock valuation, order planning, and accounting. Generate inventory reports showing stock availability, movement, and value. Ensure error-free stock management, even for large businesses. Tip to remember, think of inventory masters as the backbone of your stock system. Stock groups, stock items, units, godowns, categories is equal to organized, smart, and accurate inventory management. Next important short question is 3. Explain the procedure to create inventory masters in Tally ERP 9. Answer. In Tally ERP 9, creating inventory masters is the first step to manage your stock efficiently. Inventory masters include stock groups, stock items, units of measure, godowns, and stock categories. Proper creation ensures accurate stock tracking, reporting, and valuation. Step-by-step procedure to create inventory masters. 1. Creating stock groups. Go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Info Stock Group Create. Enter a name for the group, example, fruits or beverages. If needed, select a parent group to show hierarchy. Press Enter to save. 2. Creating units of measure, UOM. Go to Inventory Info Units of Measure Create. Enter the unit name, example, kg, L, PCs. Choose type, simple unit or compound unit, example, dozen is equal to 12 PCs. Press Enter to save. 3. Creating stock items. Go to Inventory Info Stock Item Create. Enter item name, select stock group, and choose unit of measure. You can also enter opening balance quantity and rate. Press Enter to save. 4. Creating godowns. Go to Inventory Info Godown Create. Enter godown name, example, main warehouse. Select parent godown if required. Press Enter to save. 5. Creating stock categories, optional. Go to Inventory Info Stock Category Create. Enter category name like perishable or non-perishable. Press Enter to save. Example. In a grocery store, you can have stock group, vegetables. Stock item, potato, 1 kg pack. UOM, kg. Godown, main shop. Stock category, perishable. Tip to remember, think of it as building a well-organized warehouse in Tally. Groups, items, units, godowns, categories is equal to smart stock management. Next important long question is 4. Explain the various types of inventory reports in Tally ERP. Answer. Inventory reports in Tally ERP 9 are detailed summaries that show the status of stock in a business. These reports help in tracking stock quantity, value, movement, and location, making inventory management easy and accurate. Using these reports, a business can plan purchases, avoid shortages, and analyze stock performance. Types of inventory reports in Tally ERP 9. 1. Stock summary. Shows the quantity and value of all stock items. Example, a grocery store can see rice, 100 kilograms, milk 50 liters, total value 7,500 rupees. Helps in overall stock monitoring. 2. Godown-wise stock. Displays stock location-wise. Example, main warehouse, 50 kilograms rice, shop 1 to 50 kg rice. Useful for multi-location businesses. 3. Category-wise stock report. Shows stock based on categories. Example, perishable, 200 units, non-perishable, 500 units. Helps in classifying and analyzing stock. 4. Movement analysis reports. Includes stock movement, receipts, and issues. Example, how many units of rice were sold or purchased in a month. Helps in tracking stock flow and demand planning. 5. Valuation reports. Shows stock value according to cost or price. Example, apple, 50 kilograms worth 5,000 rupees, milk, 30 liters worth 1,800 rupees. Helps in financial accounting and profit calculation. 6. Aging analysis. Shows how long stock has been in inventory. Useful for perishable goods or slow-moving items. Tip to remember, think of inventory reports as a dashboard for your stock. Stock summary godown-wise category-wise movement valuation aging is equal to full control over inventory. By using these reports, businesses can make faster decisions, avoid stockouts, and improve profitability. Next important long question is 5. What is godown? How to enable godown option and how to create, display and alter the godowns. Explain. Answer. A godown is a place where stock or inventory is stored, like a warehouse. In Tally ERP 9, godowns help a business keep track of stock location, manage multiple storage points, and know how much stock is available at each place. This is especially helpful for businesses with more than one shop, warehouse, or branch. Example. A company has a main warehouse and two shops, Shop 1 and Shop 2. Stock like rice can be stored in the main warehouse, while chocolate can be in Shop 1. Tally ERP tracks stock separately for each godown, so there's no confusion. Steps to enable godown in Tally ERP 9. 1. Go to Gateway of Tally F11, Features Inventory Features. 2. Set Maintain multiple godowns, yes. 3. Press Enter to save. Steps to create a godown. 1. Go to Gateway of Tally Inventory Info Godown Create. 2. Enter godown name, example, main warehouse. 3. If it is part of a bigger warehouse, choose a parent godown. 4. Press Enter to save. Steps to display a godown. 1. Go to Inventory Info Godown Display. 2. Select the godown you want to view. 3. Press Enter to see details. Steps to alter a godown. 1. Go to Inventory Info Godown Alter. 2. Select the godown you want to change. 3. Update the name or parent godown. 4. Press Enter to save changes. Tip to remember. Godown is equal to where your stock lives, enabling organized storage, accurate stock tracking, and easy reporting. Using godowns makes businesses more organized and prevents stock confusion, especially when managing multiple locations or branches.